Decluttering your home can seem daunting, but you can be on your way to a more organized space with a few simple steps. Here are 5 simple ways to declutter your home and make your life easier. Get rid of anything you don't need. Take a few minutes to go through each room in your house and take out anything you don't need or use. Donate, recycle, or trash anything that you don't need. Utilize storage solutions. Invest in storage solutions such as hooks, trays, bins, and shelves tailored to your needs. This will help you to organize and store items efficiently. Divide and conquer. When decluttering, it's essential to take everything out and edit before you organize. This way, you know what you're working with and decide what to keep, donate, or toss. Utilize vertical space. When storage is limited, make sure to use your vertical space. Hang items such as coats, bags, towels, and jewelry on sturdy hooks. Think quality over quantity. Treat yourself to quality items instead of buying a bunch of cheap things. Quality products will last longer, and you won't need to replace them as often. More tips could help you declutter your home. For example, you could create a schedule to help you stay on track. Set aside time each day to declutter and organize your space. You could also use labels to categorize items and make it easier to find what you need. Finally, try donating or selling things you no longer need or use. Following these simple steps can declutter your home and make your life easier. These quick tips will help you be organized for yourself or anybody in your life. Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.